What's up, guys, man? We are back here with another Everything's Regular. We on our way to the city right now, man. Pretty much already there, almost. I gotta stop at my buddy's house real quick to get a black front fender. He's got a black Harley front fender for me. Now, I don't know if it's from the newer style Harleys, like the 14s and up. If it is, then we can use that one for our 18 Street Glide. If it's not, then we'll just throw that thing on our Road Glide. So either way, we will find something to do with it. I'm just about to go to his crib real quick, pick that up. Then we can head to Antonio, scoop up that paint set. And then we can see how that thing is looking, man. I can't wait to check it out. Alrighty, man. Just pulled up to Tonio's. Tonio. What's up, man? What's up? How you doing? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Gas tank look good. Yeah, look nice. Look good. That's a nice blue, man. Oh, I can't wait. It looks good. Let's see it in the sun. Let's see. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, that actually looked really good, man. It looks good, man. I like it. Oh yeah, that looks nice. That's a nice blue right there. It looks really good. Yeah, that's clean. Ooh, look at the things on that thing, dog. Look real good. Yeah, that shit is nice. I ain't gonna hold you. Yeah, Tonio, I'm gonna come tomorrow morning. Yeah, tomorrow. Because I don't want to scratch it up because the guy where I'm taking it, it's not open until tomorrow morning. But it looks really good. It looks really good.
Maybe like 10 o'clock tomorrow?
Yeah, whatever time. Early, though. Woo. So, actually, I'm just going to leave the paint set here until tomorrow. Because I don't want to scratch none of it up. I literally want to take it from here to Dre's shop. And then start freaking getting that thing right. So we'll see. We shall see, man. But it does look good, man. I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, dog. Damn, I see how she coming, though. Okay. Oh, that was a female. She came with it, though. Look, they rolling. We out here Sunday Funday. Got the kid on some squat daddies. Little kid, get off. I appreciate you, bro. Good looking out, man. Damn, they was going up. That thing's got high, man. Look at this MC, though. The MC. This motherfucker's hot. Tesla pulling up sick.
Yeah, that's a dope color. I've never seen that on the Tesla.
Ooh, that color change is nice. That color change is nice. Man. Woo! That shit was hard. That shit was hard. There we go. Damn. That shit hard. That thing up there, boy. That's hard. So alrighty guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. We got the parts we gotta pick up today. We got a whole bunch of stuff to do today, man. So I'm gonna leave that for the next video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We about to hop in this Raptor, head to the DMV, get our plates for this thing, and then from there, we're gonna head to Dre's shop, man. So with that being said, I'll have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.